How to fix and solve Telegram app freezing. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this tutorial video, I'm here to guide you on how to fix and solve Telegram app freezing on simple steps. So do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tech and tips videos. First of all, open settings on your Android device or iPhone device. Open apps, tap app management. Once every application gets loaded on the section, tap search bar at top and type in Telegram. Open Telegram and this will access the app info section of Telegram. Tap storage uses, tap clear cache. If you wish to manage the space, you can tap manage the space and manage the space of Telegram as well. This will help us to fix Telegram app freezing issue. Once done, tap battery uses and then tap force stop to force stop the application. Once you follow these two steps, you need to exit from the section and check whether your issue has been resolved or not. If not yet, open the Play Store or App Store and then using the search icon at bottom right corner, you need to type in Telegram. Open the Telegram section. Tap Telegram and if you see any updates of the application, tap on the update button to update it to the latest version. Once done, you need to lastly restart the device and then this will help us to fix and solve Telegram app freezing issue. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.